Let's be real right now. You don't need to quit your 9 to 5 job to start a business. In fact, quitting too early is why most people tend to fail. I built my business like strictly off of still working my 9 to 5, and today I'm going to show you how to do the same exact thing without risking everything. What's up, everybody? It's your boy Quartz Motivation, and I'm back with another video today. If you're working a 9 to 5 job right now, but you know you want more freedom, more income, more control, this video is for you. I'm going to break down step by step, no fluff, none of that, no motivational talk. The only talk that I'm gonna give you is just straight strategy on that you can use to build your business while working your 9 to 5 job. I might be looking back and forth a little bit because I got notes on my computer. So if you see my head move over, that's why. So the number one point that I want to give y'all, point number one, stop thinking you need time. Stop thinking you need time. Most people say, I don't have enough time to start a business. That's not true at all. There's 24 hours in a day. Like, that's 24 hours in a day. You just need structure. You got evenings, you got weekends, you have breaks at work. You have all of those times where you can start a business. You have the times your off days. You can do that too. You're not working 7 days a week at your full-time job right now. At least I hope not. The real issue is you're spending too much time like scrolling, watching TV, scrolling on TikTok, watching YouTube videos, sitting down, chilling, going out partying. Like you're not having that structure in your life that you need to build your business, to start a business, because you're too caught up in doing other stuff that's not benefiting you at all. So you just like literally need 2 to 3 hours to focus a day on your business in order for your business to be somewhat successful, in order for you to start a business. At least 2 to 3 hours a day after work, at least. You don't need 8 hours, 2 to 3 hours just to start it. Like, consistency beats free time every single time. Remember that. All right? The second point I want to make to you, you want to start with a skill, not a logo. A lot of people tend to start with logos, LLCs, business cards, all of that. You don't need all of that to start a business. That's the mistake most people make. You literally just need a skill that solves a problem, and you go solve those problems with that skill. For an example, tech repair. That's something that I do. It solves technical problems. I didn't have a logo and all that stuff when I first started repairing phones. I literally was in college after work, and I worked 2 jobs in college. I worked at the tech center in college, and then I worked at Walmart and being a student, and I was running my own business. 2 businesses, actually. I was cutting hair and fixing phones on the side, too. So I was literally busy 24/7 making cash, like making money. So just because you had that 9 to 5, you don't need to quit yet. But social media management, cleaning services, digital marketing, selling products. Those are examples of skills that you can have that solves a problem. Everybody needs a social media marketing and management person. Everybody needs cleaning services. Everybody needs selling. Everybody needs products that you can sell to them. For an example, shoes, phones, all of that. You can sell anything. Anything that you have, you can sell it. So money comes from value, not branding. The value that you bring to people is how you're going to get paid. If you don't bring value to someone, not they're not going to give you money. You're not bringing value to them at all. They don't care about your brand. They care about what you could bring to them. All right. Number 3, use your full-time job to fund your business. Like, you want to use your full-time job to fund your business. So your 9 to 5 is not your enemy at all. I know a lot of people hate working 9 to 5, but it's not your enemy. It's your investor. Think of it this way. Your boss is investing in you like you invest in your time into your boss. Like, the steady paycheck that you get, that's what funds your equipment, your marketing, the tools that you need for your business, the mistakes that you may make while starting your business. It will fund it all. because it's a steady paycheck. You know that you're going to be getting that check every other week or every week, however many times you get paid a month. You know you're going to be getting that check. So use that check to fund your business. Most people they quit too early, and then they stress. The stress kill the business because they're stressing about money because they don't have it because they just quit their full time job. Don't quit it. Just use that money, your 9 to 5, to fund your business. Your job is temporary. Your business is the goal. Remember that. Your job is always going to be temporary, but your business is the goal. Like that's how you're going to make that money. Number 4, start small and stack clients. And I tell people this a lot. You don't need 100 clients. You just need your first one to start your business. That first client will help you out so much. Um, then your second client, then your third client. And then that's how your momentum build. Like, yeah, I just got these 3 clients. I'm finna go get a fourth one. I'm finna go get a fifth one. Last night I was literally in the bed and I was typing notes on my phone. I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna make a goal for next month to put off 3 more new clients. I was like, it's about that time for me to put off 3 more new clients. So next month, we're starting now in April 21st. I'm going to be working on pulling off 3 new managed services clients that we could go out and service and offer value to them. Um, just because it's about that time, we need to keep that momentum going, pushing out more clients. Um, like when I started, I wasn't like trying to scale like crazy. When I first started my business, I was just trying to focus on getting results to people, making sure that I keep people happy because I know that they're going to return back if I keep them happy. So the steps that you want to take is tell people what you do when you first meet them. Tell them what you do. You want to post on social media because social media is a big thing right now. A lot of people use social media to their advantage, and it's a really big thing. Social media can make you so much money. Offer your services locally. You want to offer it to your neighbors, to the people around the corner, to the stores or whatever the places around your neighborhood. Offer them locally to people that you know. Um, but just know that a lot of people that you know may not support your business, but more people that you don't know will support your business. So just offer it to any and everybody that you think your service will bring value to and reach out directly to all these people. Your first $100 matters more than your first $10,000 dream. When you make that first 100, you be like, man, I just made that 100 in an hour. You know what? I think I can make another 100. I think I can make 200. It brings that momentum. After you make that first 100, you can make a lot much more as times go on. So number 5, know when it's time to transition out of your full time job. Now this is important. Do not quit your job just because you made a little money. All right. So if you made $1,000 in a week, don't just go quit your job like, yeah, I just made 1,000 in a week. I'm not coming back here. It's not time to quit yet, big dog. You leave when your business income is consistent. Your business income needs to be consistent. You need to consistently be making the same amount or more in a time period. Don't leave just because you made a couple thousand in a couple weeks. That's not time to leave. Leave your full time job when you could cover your bills. If you're able to cover your bills from your business, from the funds that you're getting in from your business, then you know it may be a good time for you to leave your full time job because you're able to cover all your bills and probably still have a little left over to fund whatever else you want to do. Um, Leave when you have enough savings as well. So those three things you want to make sure you have, but leave when you have enough savings in your account. So make sure you have enough money to cover your bills. Make sure your business income is consistent, and make sure you have savings. Just in case a month go bad in your business, you will still have enough money to pay for your bills or for food, for gas, for all of that good stuff, all the needs. Going broke, chasing a dream, it's not a strategy. Like you don't want to tell yourself, yeah, I'm gonna go broke trying to chase this dream. Yeah, no. Going broke chasing a dream is not a strategy. It's not what you want to do. You want to make sure that you don't go broke. That's the end point. So if you're watching this video right now, you're already ahead of most people. You already know what you want to do and how you need to do it. You just needed that extra push because most people won't even try. So start start when you are like ready. Use what you have and stay consistent. That's all you need to have. Consistent and value. You need to keep those two words in mind. Have consistency and bring value to people. Write value on your board and write down how can you bring value to these people. Um, because that 9 to 5 you hate, use it to build what you want, build what you don't want to hate. You know. So, if this helped you, please hit the like button. Please comment and subscribe down below. Um, I'm trying to drop real game on business, mindset, and leveling up your mind to your money. We all want to level up. We want to make this happen, bro. Like, all of us want to be successful. If you're watching this video, you know that you want to be successful. So to go out there and do it. Comment below. Let me know what business you thinking about starting. Ask me tell me if you need help with anything. I'm happy to help out. Um, I've been in business for 3 years full time, and it's been great. So let me know if you need any help. I would definitely feel free to. I would definitely help you if you need it. But please like, comment, and subscribe.